Alright, this screencast is going to show you how to take an instructional narrative page and turn it into a PDF. Then when you have it as a PDF on the instructional narrative page, that allows students to download a PDF and then keep it for their archive. So all you're going to do is go to the instructional narrative that you want and click on Edit. Once this comes up, click on this right here for a preview, and you're going to go to File, Save. You go to File, Export as a PDF, save it where you want it, call it whatever you want to call it. And then from there, you need to go to Course Content. Preferably go with the content that is associated with the course. Upload file. Select it, and when you do that, you're going to upload it. The reason why you want to do this, obviously, so it is shared on the Blackboard server. And then from there, go back to the lesson, the instructional narrative, and edit. Now, wherever you want to put it on the page, and you're going to select the Attach, Browse Content Collection, and there it is. Hit Submit, submit one more time and one more time, and now it's there. When you hit Submit, now when a student is reading the narrative, they can click on here and download the PDF.